Okay, segment 5 in our series about effective social media content. Just because you've introduced an idea to a potential customer in a previous post doesn't mean that you can't reintroduce or reinforce that idea in a follow-on post. Most of us don't hear something once and become instant believers. So here's a chance to go back and reinforce something that your customer is looking for. They're looking for that quiet lawnmower, and we told them in post 3 that it's because of the Astro Baffle. Well, here's where I get to talk a little bit about that to sort of reinforce what that's all about. I can say, the reason that the Astro Baffle is so effective is because we've invested in a significant piece of machinery here at our factory that allows us to manufacture this baffle or this muffler to much higher standards than most manufacturers could ever hope to achieve. We made that investment because we know that people care about quiet lawnmowers, and we believe having this technology is going to differentiate ourselves as time goes on. As the planet becomes more crowded, as people are living closer together, quiet's going to become more and more important. So, you're going to like our lawnmowers because they're quiet, because we're making the investment to make sure we have the quietest lawnmowers, and that's that reinforcing of that fact that we've already made. If you would like content like this for you or your business, call, text, or email me.